Sitting on my bed and staring at the open window, I'd be a fool before somebody's eyes. There's not a single thing that occupies my mind. All I'm waiting for is rain to fall down from the sky. Back then I hated rainy days. It's hard to reach and meet you. I'd often curse every drop it brings. But now that you were gone and I can feel the pain, all I'm waiting for is rain to help and keep me sane. Oh, I love the rain. When I feel blue, I can loudly cry for you. The rhythm of the rainfall drowns my endless tears for you. When the rain stops, I have to wipe the pain and bitterness inside. I'll just wait for another rain to come. When the clouds are gray, I look up in the sky. I smile and teardrops start to fall from my eyes. Yes, I know that the rain is not staying just like you, but unlike you, it will be back to help me get over you. Oh, I love the rain. When I feel blue, I can loudly cry for you. The rhythm of the rainfall drowns my endless tears for you. When the rain stops, I have to wipe the pain and bitterness inside. I'll just wait for another rain to come. Oh, I love the rain, but I love you more. But I'll just wait for another rain to come. I'll just wait for another rain to come.